Welcome to the Checkout Guide. Today I will show you how our Shopify Sidekick onboarding checklist for beginners. So instead of watching long Shopify video, you can just ask Sidekick to help to set up your store. So by asking Sidekick, and you can literally copy the checklist and you can use for your own store. So if you're new to this channel, please subscribe, like, share, comment, and press the bell icon. Let's get started. Just click on Sidekick. Then here we can enter, create a beginner Shopify onboarding checklist for my store. Then click enter. Now it is processing. So let's see what Sidekick say. Here we can see I have already complete some setup like ads, journey, and your first period, etc. So now I have to check customize your domain, unlock your store. To boost conversion, speed up checkout with Shopee, automated abandoned cart email, install Shopify inbox, add productive reviews, etc. So here I'm asking, make it simple steps for beginners. Take in enter. So now it's giving some steps. So for customize your domain, we can ask Sidekick why custom domain important. No, Shopify cache store. We need to click enter. Now we can see it will give the struts brand credibility for memorability, SEO benefits, special and marketing consistency. So we can make it simple like delhi.com, shopselly.com, etc. For that we have to go to the settings. Then click on domain. Here we can see the domain already set up. We can buy new domain or we can connect with new domain name like zelly.com, shopselly.com, etc. Now I just leave it. So next here we can see to unlock your store by removing the password. For that we can ask how to unlock Shopify store before launch and click on enter. Now we can see it will give steps to remove the password. So here it give the clear step, go to the online store. Then here go to the preference. Then here we can see the password. We have to remove this. Your online store is in development. To let visitor access your store, then the password. So here it is password protected. So we can remove this, then anyone can view our store. So to speed up checkout, we can make the payment setup. So we can ask conversion. Here we can see it is suggesting about the shop day. So we can ask that. So to boost conversion, tap checkout, select checkout, sign in with shop expert payment option. So that we have to go to the settings, then click on payments. Here we can see we have to enable the payment but deeply need request. So you just leave it now. So next, to automated abandoned cart email, can see here next step is for abandoned cart email. So that we have to go to the Shopify admin, then click on marketing. Go to the settings, then click on checkout. Here scroll down. Here we can see abandoned checkout email. You can enable the checkout email automatically send to anyone who abandoned their checkout. Send after, we can set the time. Here I set to 10 hours. Save. So that's it. So here we can see it is giving step by step to improve our store before launch. So now the store setup checklist is almost completed. Here you can see Sidekick made the step setup process much easier because it tells you what to focus on step by step. So this is how Sidekick onboarding checklist. So if you like this video, please subscribe, like, share, comment and press the bell icon. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.